and very passionate about this industry. And we are excited because it's really an exciting journey. Good evening, everybody. Good evening. I can see amazing people in the call. Everybody here is amazing. And so I'm excited to be the one to talk to you this evening. I believe that everybody is hearing me. In fact, we have people across the country and even out of the country in this call this evening. What a privilege to be among these great people. Thank you so much. We are going to have a brief moment here. And during that brief moment, there will be a lot to learn and a lot to share. Thank you once again for joining. I won't go again to call names because we want to actually manage our time, but then everybody is recognized and everybody is important. This is Dr. Mi Venatius. I'm a material scientist and I am passionate about the industry of network marketing. It's unfortunate that there is no light here. I would have loved that you see my face, but we are going to still be meeting even in our physical events, and all of us will see our faces because this is an interactive business. One great man says is the business of people who like helping people. So we are talking about Revoobit International. And before I go to talk about Revoobit International, let me just briefly say a few things in the next 1, 2, 3 minutes. I want to talk about the real meaning of poverty in my definition. When all the people around you cannot raise 100,000 francs, is francs, please, in 10 minutes, if you are in deep trouble. If all that you have around you, you cannot be able to raise 100,000 francs if you are in deep trouble. Those people cannot raise just 100,000 francs. They know that you are in real poverty. When all your friends tell you that it cannot be done, they go further to say that if it were possible, others would have done it before you. When all that you hear from friends around you, know that you are in deep trouble. In fact, you have poverty of friends even. When you don't have any dream that is big, any dream that will frighten you, if all your dreams is about what you will eat, then you are already in poverty. You might not know, but that is a reality. I want you to ponder about these points as we start our session. I want you to give your own reasoning to what I'm going to say now. That's what I mean by you should ponder. Reason it out and see whether it will make sense to you. In my opinion, salary is a very good survival strategy. That is, going for salary is a good survival strategy. But if you must build wealth and create impact in this dispensation, you must go beyond salary and build passive income. That's my take. What is your take? Passive income is built by leveraging on people, on networks. You can leverage on people to build passive income. And then I'm saying that you cannot escape leverage. It is either you are leveraging on people or they are leveraging on you, or both. Start to say that there are some people who have just availed themselves for others to leverage on. Whereas there are others who have understood that that is what life is about. It is about leverage. So either right now, I don't know what you are doing, but right now, it is either you are leveraging on people or people are leveraging on you to build a fortune for themselves. But there's a possibility of doing both. There is no crime in others leveraging on you. But who are you leveraging on? To build passive income so that that passive income that you have built, it can enable you to create impact in your generation. And I say it is time to flush out naysayers and people with poor mindsets from your life unapologetically. I want you to think about this. How many people have paid your bills? Even me that I'm talking to you here. When was the last time I paid your bill for you? Whether it's your electricity bill or your water bill or whatever bill. Have I ever paid at all? Even your taxi fare, have I paid? So this is an indication that the responsibility of your life is in your hands. Nobody will come to take that responsibility. But sad to say that there are people who carefully listen to others. Meanwhile, they will go back home and face their bills by themselves. So think about these things. And so it is time for us to actually flush out naysayers unapologetically, because actually these people, they will help to sap us of our dreams. In fact, they are actually vampires, because they will sap you of your dream and they will cause you to see a dream like a giant, to see what you could have accomplished like a giant. And by so doing, you will not have the audacity to pursue your dream and become who God created you to be. Someone has said there are people who will tiptoe through life, who go through this life and they will not know that they came this way. What impact are you creating? Look at those things that we are benefiting from today. It's because somebody rised up. It is because somebody did not listen to others. I'm sure if you ask Nelson Mandela today, he will tell you that there are people who try to discourage him. But he knew exactly what he wanted to achieve. And he went for it and he was determined to get it. The question is, do you know exactly what you want? So those are some points that I just wanted you to ponder about, but this is not part of our session this evening. If you pick something out of it, then I think I'm happy about that, even if it's just one. I can get our amazing leader, our top leader, the Cameroon leader, say never. Thank you very much for that feedback, sir. So what are we talking about this evening? I'm so excited to talk to you about stem cell, because this is a powerful evolution in medical sciences. It is what is actually, it is not like it is going to shut up some people's mouths. It is already shut up a lot of people's mouths. There are people whose mouth, in my dialect, they will talk about people's mouths got dry. There are people whose mouths are dry because of what this innovation, this development in medical science is doing, as far as ailments that were actually marked as incurable are being handled today. Almost every time in our group, we are celebrating testimonies about what is happening. And we are so excited. If you ask some people here, they will tell you that they don't know how to keep quiet about this product again because of what they have seen it do in people's lives. So this, we are not only the ones that are talking about this, there are leaders that actually saw this coming already. You know, it's like when you are in leadership position, God already fashioned you. Of course, leaders are put in place by God himself. And actually, he already fashioned you to be able to see some things. And in reality, in 2009, this is Barack Obama who was talking about stem cell. And, you know, these people don't just come out to talk. They talk based on scientific facts when it comes to the world of sciences, because if they just say anything, what will happen is that their political opponents and so on, they will now use it against them. So before they come out to talk like this, it is when they already know, they have gathered enough facts. And in 2009, this gentleman, this American president, was making projections on what is going to be, what is going to happen as far as the stem cell research is concerned. And he did not just end up talking about it, he went further to release a lot of funds that were used in this research. And just as their predictions were coming, that people will actually get up from wheelchairs, people's spinal cord problems will be solved, and so on. Today, it is a reality. So there's another beautiful part of this that I want you to look at. These were his predictions also, that in the next 10 years, 80% of the population of the developed world will be tied to stem cells because of their eating habits and many other things. You can talk about radiations and so on. And he said the market potential of stem cell is estimated to reach 50 billion US dollars in the next 10 years. 50 billion US dollars is money that if you are to count in CFA, it will be huge. So if the market potential is reaching 50 billion US dollars, the question is, what fraction of it is your own? How much of it are you going to take home? He said many will become millionaires from marketing products and services related to stem cell. And today it is a reality. There are many who are making huge financial wealth out of this product. And the beauty is that they are not only making the wealth, there are people who are smiling, whose health are getting better because they've made this product. So what are we saying? There are a lot of clinical trials that are going on. Science is discovering that there is a lot of untapped potential in this area. And so about 6,000 clinical trials are going on for stem cell treatment. We have over 50,000 bone marrow transplants happening because these stem cells that we are talking about, they're actually stored in the bone marrow. Now, you should know that when it comes to ordinary treatment, normal treatment using the stem cell therapy, you have to spend minimum 3 million francs and it can go up to 30 million. So imagine, so the treatment is not cheap, but the good thing is that it is effective. But with the coming of the product that I'm going to show you here, you will not only regain your health, you will equally make wealth. Fantastic or fantastic. So let's break it down. Let's make everyone understand what these stem cells are all about. Even basic science will tell you that our bodies are made up of cells. And that there are these cells that make up the tissues that make up the organs that make up the systems that make up you, that make up me. But what you need to know is that these cells that make up me and you are actually cells that are specialized. You have the sperm cells, you have the kidney cells, you have the liver cells, different cells, specialized cells in our bodies. What you also need to know is that these cells are dying on a daily basis because of our eating habits. Remember, we eat a lot of food that is actually cultivated with fertilizers. We also cross optical fiber lines every day, and our body frequencies are going beyond normal. Also, we have eating habits. Many things are causing our cells to be dying. And when these cells are dying, they need replacement, or those structures in our bodies that will fall sick. And so stem cells are like these knows how to play every wing in the field. Is capable of actually settling down to play as the nine shed, as the defender, and so on and so forth. So stem cells are cells which are not specialized. They don't come into your body, or they are not generated in your body as specialized cells. When I talk about specialized cells, it means cells to perform specific or particular function. So they are not specialized, but they are capable of specializing. So that's the beauty with it. They are not specialized cells, but they are capable of specializing as cells of a particular structure in your body. So they are waiting to get wherever there is deficiency, wherever there is trouble, they are capable of specializing as cells of that particular structure to actually block that wind that is leaking. So stem cells are undifferentiated cells with the capacity to both differentiate and multiply into 200 different cell types. And so since they are capable of differentiating and forming cells of any particular structure in your body, that is the reason why stem cells treatment can handle any condition in our system. So we have stem cells can become liver cells, they can become intestinal cells, muscle cells, cardiac cells, nervous cells, any cell in our body, stem cells are capable of becoming. You can now understand why our product is capable of handling high blood pressure, which is heart-related, handling Alzheimer's disease, which is brain-related, and many other problems, stomach ulcers, which is actually stomach-related, intestinal-related, and so on and so forth. So it is capable of handling even respiratory problems because it handles the problem at the level of the cell. And every structure in your body is made up of cells. So this study has gone a long way. And actually, it originated from the apple stem cell, and it was discovered that the apple stem cells are similar to the human stem cell. The only difference is that the apple stem cell has a longer shelf life. They can stay longer than the human stem cells. And so it is through that research and study that they came up with this product that is having stem cells and is actually helping a lot of people. So the product that we are proposing to you contains the apple stem cell. And this is a particular Swiss apple. Okay. So we are talking about Miracell. The product we are talking about is Miracell. I'm very excited about this product. If you are excited like me about this product, please, can you type a 1 on the chat box? Just write a 1 on the chat box. Let me see. If you are excited about this product. Yes, Mr. Kencho, thank you very much. Yes, if you are excited about Miracell, I see a 1? Yes, Mr. Cyril. Yes, Mr. Randy. Yes, Madam Delta. Yes, Madam Flora. Wow, wow, wow. I can see the ones coming in. I'm telling you, this product is doing things. We have a gold mine in our hands. And we are excited about this because it is not only a tool for us to make a lot of money, it is at the same time a solution to people's problem. Oh, what a beautiful way to do business. That you provide solution to people, and before they go to their bed, they're praying for you. That thank God this brother, this sister thought about me and brought this product to me. I can implement. So it's not a drug. You can take it even when you are on drugs. You don't have any problem. You might just give an interval, but it doesn't interfere with your drugs. That's 1. 2, it is not having any side effect. Just as you cannot tell me the side effects of an apple, just as you cannot tell me the side effect of kiwi fruit, just as you cannot tell me the side effects of all these fruits that you see. That is what makes up the Miracell. So it is exclusively plant-based, containing high antioxidants, and it's capable of controlling cholesterol, blood pressure levels, and it helps improve the bone and helps improve eye health and help in reducing the risk of other problems. So what we are saying is that when you pick up a sachet of this product, a sachet of this box contains 24 sachets, and each sachet is a concentration of these 13 different ingredients. You can now understand why there are people who take only 1 sachet and they start telling testimonies. You can understand why there are people who take 2 sachets, 3 sachets, and they start giving testimonies about this. It is because just 1 sachet of this product is a concentration of all these 13 different ingredients. So testimonies abound as far as this product is concerned. You have someone with stage 3 blood cancer whose problem is solved. You have a stroke patient who has completely recovered. You have fibroids that are dropping. You have breast cancer problem solved. You have someone consume just 2 sachets of Miracell, and I'm telling you, blood pressure returns to normal. You have someone with asthma whose problem is solved just with Miracell. This is the breakthrough product, ladies and gentlemen. This is the product that you can be excited about. We are presenting this product with our heads high because of the testimonies that we are getting on a regular basis. If you attend even our physical stations, you will marvel at what people are saying about the feedback that they're getting from the field about this product. This product this year won the Super Health Brand Award. The whole of Asia Pacific, this product came out as the Super Health Brand. So you should know what I'm talking about. When you look at even the recent boxes, it is actually marked there. I'm sure some of you have already started seeing. It is just amazing. So we have Miracle for those who want to maintain size or to reduce their size in a healthy manner with yourself still well nourished. This is the product for you. And it is also from the root of stem cell. For those who want to maintain their beauty, look younger, more dynamic, with their cells being replaced, even as they go about their activities, rejuvenate their skin, this product contains a lot of collagen. And so it actually makes you look younger, healthier, and also your cells are well nourished. It is called Mira Tiara, the amazing product. So we have this amazing coffee. I remember that Randy talked about it, that when you drink this one, you will know the difference between coffee and coffee, because just the flavor, I mean, just the taste, you will marvel. So this Bira coffee strengthens the body's immune system, controls the blood sugar level, provides energy, reduces hunger, helps improve the digestive system, lowers the cholesterol levels in the body, and it controls weight and helps with the process of hair growth. It is also anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory. So, hearing about this, what do you do with this information? After getting this information, after knowing that there are a lot of testimonies about this product, there are three things that you might choose. You might look at this as an opportunity to change your life financially. You might also see this as a plan B for you. Because whether you like it or not, in this era, see, I salute those who are actually living on one source of income at this present dispensation. I really salute you. You are strong. You are tough. But let me tell you, if you want to really cope in this era, one source of income cannot be enough for you. It's good to have a job. At least a job can put food on the table. But you need a plan B. You need it. One thing that you need to know is that when you depend only on a job, you are already at a disadvantaged position. Someone has said, and this is a big economist that I respect so much, he's an expert in the US. He says that those who pay the highest on taxes are employees. And he explained it, and I see it very well. So that is why you need something like this. You might just need it for personal satisfaction, that you are seeing people getting better health-wise. You are seeing people who could not go to bed and sleep at night, but because you have this product for them, this might just be for you to gain personal satisfaction. You might already have enough money to take care of your needs. You don't have anything to worry about it. You might just need this to serve as a bridge to someone to find a solution to health problem, and that can give you enough satisfaction. So this can be the reasons why you are engaging in this. And if any of this is your reason, then you are in the right place, because you see there are people who are celebrating cars, celebrating great things because of this product, the Mira Cell that we are talking about. If you think that you can take this for someone to actually cut down, then you are in the right place. If you look at before, the lady before, and the same lady in green, you see her appearance. Even you see that actually she is looking now more healthy and fitting. Do you understand what I'm talking about? Then look at the other lady, the white lady. Just imagine, this is miracle that I've just shown you. Then look at what this product is doing. If you were the one that took this product to these people that really needed to regain size and be flexible, will you not be happy? I don't know how to call this this condition that this person is suffering from on the left. You see, he's looking like a white man and at the same time like a black man, but his real face shows up when Miracell came his way. Look at the lady, the white lady. Just imagine. Just imagine. Time may not allow me to show you a lot of this, but one thing you need to know about this product is that it is a well-certified product. It is a well-certified product. Those are certificates that are actually showing that this product is well-certified, is well-checked and confirmed that it is good for consumption. I would like to show you the halal certification because sometimes the Muslim community, because of their religious practices, they may have challenges asking questions whether they should or they should not consume this product. But this halal certification is a stamp of approval that they can conveniently consume the product. These are other certificates about our product. The Miracell, the Mira Curve, the Mira Tiara, we are seeing the certificates there. US Food and Drug Administration have certified this product. Just that alone, I know that is one thing that will allow some people to consume this product. Because if this product is consumed in the US, then I should consume it. I know that there are some people like that. And let me tell you, if you want to recommend this product in the US, you have nothing to worry about. The center is right there, and all you need is the address to actually get your person pick up the product right there in the US. So this product is a product for worldwide consumption. Even in Africa, the National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control in Nigeria have also certified the product for consumption. We are talking about a company that is in over 65 countries in the world. Hello, over 65 countries and counting. And it took just 18 months for this product to reach this number of countries. Guess what? It is the result that this product is producing that is pushing it to go far and wide. We are just beginning, and I'm telling you, please, can you mute your mic? Thank you for muting your mic. So we are talking about a product that is worldwide, and actually we are still starting. If you are joining us now, it is a blessing. It's a blessing because you are at the time when we are still gathering wings to take off. This company will be celebrating 3 years this month already. The countdown for celebration has already been launched, and it is already going into many countries. And it took just 18 months to be in 65 countries and counting. So these are the celebrations that I told you about. These are the celebrations. So we are saying that it is possible for you to make a fortune out of this. You are not going to rent a shop like someone who wants to open a business place. You need to rent a shop, maybe spend hundreds of thousands to rent just a shop before you start looking for money to stock the shop, before you start thinking who will sit there and whether the person can be honest or not. That is not the case here. You just need your own box of Miracell, and you are already a part of this organization. And that opens you up to over 9 different bonuses. Yes, you heard me right. It opens you up to 9 different bonuses that you can benefit from this company. So you can choose to take the package Revoobit Kit. You just pay your money and you get your product, and you are in business. You can take the starter pack, you can take the bronze pack, you can take the silver pack, you can take the gold pack. You see the various amounts. Those who are out of the country, you should just excuse us. We have it in CFA. But after this, if you were not clear with the CFA figures, I can give you the figures in dollars. So 22.5, 45,000, 78,000, 390,000, 780,000 are the different packages that we have. And once you have picked up your box of Miracell or Mira Curve or Mira Tiara or Revoobit Kit, that opens you up to 9 different bonuses. It opens you up to 9 different bonuses. We have the retail commission, the sponsor bonus, development bonus, group incentive, roll-up bonus, unilevel, vacation, car, and house. You are open up to all these different bonuses that you can earn. But for the sake of time, this evening, I'm going to explain just 3 of these bonuses. The rest are amazing. If you really want to know more about them, when you become part of the system, your upline will explain better to you. Or if you want to know before you become part of the system, no problem. We can also make time to explain the rest of the bonuses to you. So let me explain just three. We have the retail bonus. With the retail bonus, once you are already a member, you are already at an advantage position, because if somebody needs the product and is not a member, you can be able to make between 30 to 40%, because company gives members a discount of up to that. Amazing or amazing. It gives you a discount of up to that once you are already a member. This is only available for members. Remember, how do you get your membership? Just by buying your box of Miracell, you are already a member. It's automatic. And by the time getting a box of Miracell by registration, I don't mean maybe by doing purchase. By registration, you are automatically a member of the community. And once you become a member of the community, you can buy it at a discount of up to 30 to 40%. And which means that if you want to sell it to a non-member, you will make between 30 and 40% profit. The second bonus that I want to explain here is the sponsor bonus. The sponsor here does not mean that the person pays your school fee. No, that the person saw you and actually about this opportunity, and it is actually putting money into his pocket. And so he said, oh, I cannot hear this thing like this, and I don't tell my brother, I don't tell my sister. So let me share this information. He comes and shares the information with you, and you say, wow, I should not see people progressing and building a huge world out of it when I also heard about it. Let me also be part of it. Once you decide to be part of it, automatically the person who told you is your sponsor. And so company pays him a commission. That is also how, when you will tell another person, company will pay you a commission. And it ranges between 20% to 35%, depending on the level that you are. So that is how, if you tell someone who is coming in just at Revoobit, if you are a Revoobit member, you get 3,900 francs. And if you are a starter bronze or silver, you get 5,850 francs when the person came just at Revoobit. This company is super generous. I can say this with a lot of confidence. And if you are at the goal, they will have 6,825 francs. Now, if you bring in a starter, those are the bonuses that you will get. They are juicy, they are huge. Then if you bring in a bronze, those are the bonuses that you will get. And if you bring in a silver, those are the bonuses that you get. If you bring in a gold, that is how it is. You can notice that the highest earner are those who are at the level of gold. That's why when you come in, we tell you that take your business serious, because from this same system, you will generate money and it will take you to go 500 or starter or bronze or whatever level that you came in. We are telling you that just from this same system, it can enable you to generate income that will take you to the level of gold, so that you can benefit 35% each time that you have a registration. So this is how it happens. When a goal sponsor a goal, because monkey see, monkey do. If you are a goal, it is easy for you to sponsor gold members. So when you sponsor a goal, the bonus is different compared to someone who is a starter and also sponsor a goal. If you are a goal and you sponsor a goal, you make 273,000. And if you are a starter and you sponsor a goal, you have 234,000 francs CFA. We're talking in ZAF here. So the third bonus that I'm going to explain, and we are going to hold there for today, is the development bonus. This is bonus that enables you to build a team. Here, teamwork is seriously encouraged. And I'm telling you, we can get to the top together. We can build it together. We can grow together thanks to a system like this. So this is a sharing bonus. It's a bonus that everybody in your community stands a chance to benefit. And take note, this is actually the peak of passive income. Because when people come into your community, they don't know where that community can grow and reach. So what this pairing bonus is paid, or development bonus is paid on your smaller leg, which is 10%. 10%. Now, there is a capping for the various levels. If you are a Revoobit member, your own is hanging. But if you are a starter member, maximum that you can earn per day is 39,000 francs, and in a month you can earn 1,170,000 francs. If you are a bronze, you can earn 78,000 max per day, and you can make 2,340,000 francs. If you are a silver, you can make up to 1,950,000 francs per day, and you can make up to 58 million francs a month. With a gold member, it is infinite, which means if you earn whatever amount, it will be paid to you. So this is development bonus. This is how it is calculated. So if you are a silver and you sponsor 2 silver, you can be able to make a total of 273,000 just by sponsoring 2 silvers, just 2. And if you are a gold member and you sponsor 2 gold members, you can make up to 624,000 francs. So there is a lot of money to be made here. This is another heavy bonus, which is called group incentive. This is also another level, a deeper level of earning passive income. But like I said, I'm not going to explain this one. Unilevel enables you to make up to 25% of the total sales in your community. Hello, as you are building that community that you are building, I can tell you that community will serve you today, tomorrow, in a year to come, in 2 years, and so on and so forth. So you are building something that will serve you for long. So we have 3 steps to becoming a millionaire here. All you need is do your registration, pick up a package. We usually talk about the package of 78,000 because there is an advantage there. When you register at 78,000, you have 2 boxes of our product. Whereas if you were coming at 45, you have 1 box. So it means that 2 will eventually cost you now 90 instead. That's why we encourage people to take advantage already of the 78, that's the bronze package. Because at the bronze package, already you are at an advantage position. Instead of getting the 2 at 90,000, you are getting the 2 at 78,000. That is the point. So here, leadership is also celebrated because this is also a training ground for leaders. Hello, this is a training ground for leaders. And so as you ascend the leadership rank, also there are awards for you. Imagine you are making money, and on top, you are making money, you are helping people to regain their health, and on top of that, they are giving you awards for leadership, So these are people who are already doing well in this industry. These are people who have not made less than 30 million francs CFA. We're talking about over 50,000 US dollars. These are people who have not made less than 100,000 US dollars. And these people don't have 2 hits. They have 1 hit like you. 100,000 US dollars is about 60-something million. When you go today, calculate what you are earning as a salary and see whether if you continue like that, the whole of your lifetime, you'll be able to earn 60-something million. Hello. Please, we are just challenging ourselves to think bigger and wider. So nobody should take it personal. But what I'm saying is that there are people who earn salaries today, that if they continue like that, what these people have taken 2 years and less to build, those people would take the whole of their lifespan. Think about this, that you take the whole of your life to work what someone will do in 3 years. Let me put it that way. Let's say that they have even taken 3 years to raise this, and then you are planning to take the whole of your life to raise that. I think there is something wrong somewhere, and those people don't have 2 heads. So I am challenging us to think deeper and see how to leverage. What did these people use? Leverage. And that's why I said at the beginning that it is either you are looking for where to leverage, or you have simply allowed yourself for people to leverage on. Of course, they will. It is not their fault. It's not their fault that you and I have refused to look at it that way, to be able to build. This is the top earner in this country, sorry, in this business. And it is not in, this is the world top earner in this industry. Hello. He is at the top, and he's a black like you and myself. Let's take advantage of this. We can do this. Yes, this is time for somebody to talk. It's time for somebody to talk. I would like somebody just to unmute and tell me one thing that stood out for him or her. I'm waiting. Who is ready? One thing, just one thing that stood out for you. Just one thing. Share with me. Okay, somebody has already unmuted.
Thank you, sir. Good evening. Wonderful presentation. One thing that I got was, this is the business of people who love helping people, and we can make a lot of money helping people. Thank you very much.
Powerful, powerful. Can I get another hand? Or let me just call somebody's name. I'll just choose a random. I'll choose a random to call someone. Madame Lucia. Madame Lucia, please, can you unmute and tell us what stood out for you? Hello? Madame Lucia. Okay, Madame Lucia is not available.
Yes, Akanju is available.
Okay, Mr. Akanju. Yes, let's hear from you, Mr. Akanju.
Yeah, Doctor, good evening.
Good evening.
Yes, thank you for a nice presentation, and good evening to the whole community. Yes, what I've learned is that in network marketing, you need to persevere and be persistent. Yes. Don't relent your effort because your prospect did not show you the interest. Keep on pressing until they know what you are doing.
Powerful, powerful, powerful. Thank you very much. Okay, somebody says it's the leverage part for me. Yeah, that's Madame Flora Bolimo. Yeah, thank you, Madame Flora. Leverage is powerful. Let's take advantage of it. Okay, and our top leader says, me too, leverage. Okay, that's great. Thank you for that feedback. I really appreciate them very well. So I am not going to ask you now to this question, whether from 1 to 10, because I know that you are ready for this. I know that you are ready. So if you have not yet picked up your account, this is the time. This is the time. Because the discussions that we, in fact, I always like to say this, that in my dialect, they said, those things that we are discussing when we are going to the farm will not be the same thing we'll be discussing when we are coming back. And let me tell you, in 1 year from now, just 1 year, 1 year from now, the story will be different. We know exactly what we are up to, what we are into. And so we just want everybody to jump on board right now, because in exactly 1 year, mark this date, today is the 10th, as God gives us the grace and the sustenance, just 1 year from now, the story will be different. So jump on board. If you are attending this evening for your first time, or let me say you are not yet on board, jump on board right away. We don't want to tell this story when you are not part. We want all of us to tell the story together. Thank you, leader. Thank you. So that is what we are saying. So we are going all out. If there's anyone, okay, Mr. Jonathan, yes. It seems you want to say something. I see your hand up. Okay, I can't get him. So 1 year from now, dear friends, the story will be different. This Zoom is recorded. We will replay it. Our leader is listening to me right now. We will replay this Zoom. I say 1 year from now, the story will be different. So get on board. Let's get this rolling. Thank you. So we are going all out. We are going all out. This Sunday, we have Chang, we have Boya, we have This weekend, we have Chang, we have Boya, we have Bamenda. Boya alone has 2 sessions that will be running this weekend. So we are running our physical sessions. We are also running, this is an online session. We also have the physical session. Take advantage of all and build a business for yourself. A business that you will not need to pay taxes, a business that people will take your product for their consumption and they will be happy, a business that you will not struggle about security of the product. You will not struggle about taxes. You will not struggle about who will sit in your business place and all of that. Wherever you are in business. This is the opportunity for you. I know that some people are understanding. So Chang is coming up this Sunday. Chang has decided that they will not be left behind. Tico have been holding. Boya have been holding. Bamenda have been holding. Chang has decided that they will not be left behind. This is their flyer, ladies and gentlemen. Take advantage of it. Those who are already on board, take advantage of Chang. We have already our powerful representative in Chang that you can connect the people to them, let them help you explain the business to them. It is part of leverage. That's part of leverage. We are talking about Bamenda. This session will witness the presence of the top leader in Cameroon. He is going to be there for Saturday and Sunday. Saturday is the leadership session. If you are in Bamenda listening to me, you cannot afford to miss this interaction with our leader. I know what he's going to do tomorrow, this Saturday. I know how the session will be. I know the challenge that will come from Bamenda. You will get the testimonies yourself. So just be on board. That's all. Just be present and come and tell me the story. Then on Sunday, it will be a general presentation. Now, Saturday is only for the leaders. It's only for leaders. So even if you are not yet on board, but you aspire to be a leader, Saturday is for you. So make sure that you take advantage of both events. Take advantage of both events, Saturday and Sunday. The venue is there. If you have difficulties getting there, you can get to us, we'll give you the directives. Even your upline, even the person who invited you, get back to the person and he would direct you. And so we are going all out. That's the bottom line on the story. We are going all out because we have seen how much help we can render to our community, we can render to our people through our product. And by so doing, like Zig Ziglar said, that if you give enough people what they need, they will give you all that you want. All. The reason why you are still lacking in many things is because you have not met enough people to give them what they need. And I'm telling you, dear friends, there are a lot of people suffering with health issues that you can decide to go all out, to take this product to them, and they will be happy and you will get the income that you need. So lastly, this is it. This is the time. This is the time. There is no reason to complain again. This is down by 16%. Those who registered just yesterday, they have not benefited from this. Now, this is something that will not last for long. I can guarantee you. You can see the date there. From the 10th of November to the 9th of December, it is closed. So those who registered at 45,000, now you can actually get that same package at 37,800 francs. At 37,800 francs. So already you are putting back a good chunk of money into your pocket, and you are having the same starter level and also having the same box of Miracell. If you have understood this, when actually this afternoon I was taking my cup of coffee and then calculating how much money I'm going to make just as a result of this reduction, because I know that there are many people who come on board now. So take advantage of this while it lasts, because it is ending on the 9th of December. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm so grateful that you were in this session this evening, and you were not only present, you were present throughout and also active. Thank you so much. The time to start is now. If you want to do it tomorrow, that position that you would have gotten on the chain, somebody would take it. Because I am telling you, I was just discussing with the Cameroon leader today, and he was telling me about the number of registrations that are skyrocketing. If you want to understand what it means about position, get to your upline. He will tell you more about it. So pick your position now and let's move, because we are ready to move. We are already on the move. If there is something I want to tell you, it is to take this serious now, because this is the time. I want to celebrate everyone that was present. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mr. Kencho Desmond. We salute their leadership. Mr. Andy Obet, Madam Ankiambom. We have Mr. Randy, Mr. Teko Cyril, Mr. Som, Mr. Kanju, Mr. Alain, Mr. Alfred. Thank you so much. I cannot call everybody's name because I don't want to take much of your time again. Thank you so much, Mr. Idrissa from Sierra Leone. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Mr. Teko Cyril. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I hand the mic back to our amazing leader, Mr. Randy King. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, Dr. Me Venatius. I think you really need a cup of coffee, not coffee, to calm to quench your thirst and to have that flavor get right into your cells and rejuvenate your cells. It has already been a hectic day. Thank you so much to everyone for participating. I'm not going to say any other thing again, but to say, get on board. The time to start is now. And so you do not want to be left behind. Remember all the meeting places we have: Chang, Boya, Yaoundé, Douala, and Bamenda. Bamenda is going to experience a magmatic gathering. So you do not want to miss this. Once more,